2008 Chevrolet Impala 3.6 engine. I'm sorry. Alright, we're doing a 2008 Chevrolet Impala rotary. We done had the rotaries turned, but I wanted to point this out. To get this rotor off, there's a bolt right there. You got to get that bolt off to take the rotor out. Now, it's a star bolt, so you have to have a star wrench. But I haven't got it tight now. I just wanted to show it to you because if you don't watch out, you won't realize that bolt's in there. Take the bolt out. And of course, the rotor will come off. Alright, that's what I want to show you. That bolt. To tighten or loosen this 13, you're going to need a 17mm to hold that bolt and the 13 to tighten it up with. Either to tighten or loosen when you take the brake caliper off. Okay, we got the rotor back on, the brakes, the bolt. That's that little bolt we have to take off. It's a star wrench, I said that a while ago. And the rotors have been turned, and we're through. Just got to put the wheel on.